Now this illustration deals with threadless couplings and connectors in accordance with 250.92 B as in boy 3. Notice to the left of the illustration, we show the raceway connected to the enclosure with compression or set screw type connectors. But we have a threadless connector here, and it's a compression connector. To the right, notice, we have set screw connectors, 250.92 B3. Now, we can use these type of threadless couplings and connectors on the supply or load side to serve as a bonding means to bond metal conduits with grounding and bonding fittings to enclosures. And that's what our figure 16-95 is illustrating, threadless couplings and connectors in accordance with 250.92 B as in boy 3.